pull on it and turn it. So I pull on the lever towards me and towards the truck. Hey guys, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to open this X-guard air guard. It's pretty straightforward task, so you could do your pre-trip inspection and stuff like that. Let's jump to it. As you can see, it has those special brackets, you know, that holds the air guard in place, and those U-clamps and the hook. So all you need to do is to put some power on the lever and go around this bolt. You see, because this bolt is what's holding, you know, the air guard hooked and latched. So the moment you pull on it and turn it, that's it. This hook is unlocked. As you can see, I pull towards myself and I turn it left. I just unlocked it, and I do the same on the other side. So I pull on the lever towards me and towards the truck. Yeah, so just be careful, you know, because it might drop like it dropped on me. You know, you need, you know, hold it with one hand and work, you know, the levers with another hand. You know, check my video, you know, how to open Freightliner's hood, you know, and stuff like that. You know, I can leave, you know, the video link in the description below. And to close the hood, it's actually straightforward as well. Just lift up the air guard, and as I shown before, just pry it back and lock it. The same on the other side. Just go away from the truck with the lever until you pass this bolt, and it locks it in place. You see this hook is locked, and it's held, you know, by this bolt, you know, to make sure it's not gonna unlock, you know, because this is held by pressure of how it's designed. You know, once you pry on it, it always comes back, you know, so make sure it stays, you know, and not gonna unlock, you know. So don't leave it, you know, hanging like that, because your air guard will fall. In case you have any questions, you know, make sure you leave them in the comments below. Thank you.